Hola estudiantes, ¿cómo están? Aquí estamos en la semana número 12. We are going to study new things, new chapters, right? So it's excited. And these are our last weeks, right? So we're going to study chapter 5 and 6. And then after that, we will do the final test and we are done. So it's exciting. One of the things that we are going to learn is the difference between the ser and estar. Okay. In English, you say to be, and you say, I am in my house. I am fine. Okay? You also say, I am from, I don't know, Miami, right? I am tall. In Espanol, we're going to have a different. For some criteria, we're going to use the verb ser, and for others, we're going to use the verb estar. It means the same. Practically, we have two verbs who make the function of one for you. Okay? So, for example, if I'm going to say I am tall, I'm going to say yo soy alta. But if I'm going to say I am fine, I'm going to say yo estoy bien. So estar, you're going to use it when you're talking about well-being, when you're talking about location, when you're talking about how you feel regarding emotions. That's why you're going to have a vocabulary there about emotions, because the emotions are temporary. I feel happy, I feel sad, depend of what I'm doing, depend who I'm with, depending if I'm doing something that I like, right? Those emotions are going to change, and that we use it with estar. And with ser, we use it more for permanent things, like I am tall, right? Like I'm short. No matter what I do, I always gonna be short, right? I can put big, heels, and you say, Lucy, you're a little bit higher. Yeah, but still I'm short. Once I take those heels out, you're gonna have like, okay, hi, Lucy, right? So that is the difference. So make sure you understand that. So study that. You got activities for that in Moodle, and also please make sure that you understand the vocabulary regarding emotions and description, so you can really detect this is a ser and this is an estar. Take care. Nos vemos. Hasta la vista.